Hello, this is the inside of a Panasonic th-37px70 Bravo Alpha TV set. I got a problem where not a huge problem, there's a small problem where there's a patch of blue pixels, light blue sort of cyan pixels on a white background, on white backgrounds and white scenes. So I've got to find the Vsus, which is called the Y sustain control, to neutralise those, because apparently well, I know for a fact, but as TV sets get older, the plasma cells age like they do on a CRT, and yeah, they have different power requirements. So you have to adjust the Y sustain control, wherever that may be, to account for that change in characteristics of the plasma panel. So there we go. It's a very interesting bit of kit. Huge EMC filter there. Looks like a TDK Lambda one. Very looks like a high quality part to me, for what I know about this sort of thing, which is not a huge amount about TVs. Well, not these sort of TVs anyway. I used to fix the old CRT tellies back in the 90s. But there we go. What sort of capacitors are these? What brand are they? Nichicon. Oh, that's good then, isn't it? That's a good start. Got good capacitors. As long as you don't touch them and blow yourself up, you're fine. So there we go. There you have it. That is the inside of a Panasonic plasma set. I think it's a 37-inch, I think it is. In fact, there's the model number there, look. TH37, sorry, let me start again. Phonetically. Tango Hotel -37 Papa X-ray 70 Bravo Alpha. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna get this fixed now. See ya.